Okay, hello again. So today we're going to continue working on our PowerPoint presentations. And the first thing I need to do is go down to my folder in the taskbar, click on the Documents folder to look for the folder that I have created with my name. I'm going to click on it 2 times. Here's my presentation. I'll click on it 2 times to start PowerPoint. Now I have created a presentation with 5 slides that talk about me and the things that I like. I have my first slide with my title and my name. My second slide talks about my background, that I was born in Greece. I like cats. Here are my pets. I have 2 cats, Ash and Mika. Some of my favorite foods. And finally, the last slide is talking about my kids. So these are a few of the things that talk about me and what I like. What we're going to do today, if I were to watch this as a slideshow, and this is how we usually use a presentation, I will go to the slideshow tab. I'll click from the beginning, and using my right arrow key, I'll click to go from one slide to the other. Currently, I just have slides with information. I don't have any special effects moving from one slide to the other, and this is what we're going to be adding today. So the first thing I would like to do is come to my opening slide. I'm going to click on my title here, and I'm going to add some animation to that. So I'm going to make my title fly in. And if I want to preview this, I can click on this preview button here, the tool, click preview, and this is how my title is going to come in. Then I can go to my second slide, and I can click on the picture here, and I can add some more animations to that, and I can make it bounce like this. So if I will click preview, here is how my picture will come in. And then I can do something with my title, and I can make my title, let's see, what can I choose? Maybe this one. So let's watch this again. Okay, this one doesn't seem to be working the way I wanted it to be working. Maybe I did not select my title, and that's why. I will choose this one. So I'm going to go to my slideshow now. Click from the beginning. Here is my title. Here's my picture. And here's my other title. I have not added any more animations to the rest of my presentation, so I can get out of there. I will click on the escape button to get out of there. Now the next thing I can do is I can add transitions from one slide to the other. So I can click on this second slide here, and I will make my slide. I will use these transitions. I went to the transitions tab up there, and I will say push. So if I preview, here's my next slide. Then I can go to the third slide, and I will use the wipe for this one. And I will click preview to see what it will look like. And then I can go to my fourth slide, and for this one, I will choose uncover. So here it is. Let's go now and see what my slideshow looks like. So I'm going to go to the slideshow tab, click from beginning, and with my right arrow key, I will see what my presentation looks like now. Okay, here's my picture, and here's my title. There's my next slide, and then the next slide. And this is as far as I went with my presentation. So this is what we're going to be working on today, and it is now your turn to give it a try. Don't forget, when you're done, do not forget to save your work. Again, you're going to go to File and just click Save, and you will be saving your work. Okay? Give it a try.